Howdy folks. Today we're talking about the AKKO 3061S Bluetooth 60% keyboard with double shot PBT caps and a nice vaporwave theme. So just to go over the stuff that comes in the box, we got obviously the keyboard right there. We've got some extra caps. I changed out anything that's like the red type of cap I changed out, so here's the space bar. They are in fact every single one of them is double shot. That's sort of what they look like. So like if we go to red key, it's got the blue double shot under there for the legend. Freaking awesome caps, man. AKKO kills it on these. Yeah, so awesome 60% board. I got Gaterons with this thing, Gateron orange I should say. It also comes with this really cool purple matching USB-C cable. And just to look at this real quick, we got your standard AKKO build plastic. If we tap on the back, not the best, not the worst. You probably could take it apart, put some foams in there. To do that, you probably have to take the keys all out, and there's going to be some screws. You pull this all out, and you can get a foam behind the PCB board and stick it all back together. Probably help a little bit on the dampening factor. I believe the switches are lubed, or sorry, the stabs are lubed. The switches are pretty smooth, really nice. Gateron seemed like a nice upgrade from Cherries. What else do we got? We got the standard AKKO feet, 2 levels, and Bluetooth on-off button right there, and USB-C up yonder. Very nice, very nice. So this board was about $100, maybe a little extra. I think you can get it for about $100 on Amazon with a little discount right now. So I have had this for about 2 weeks. I had it connected with Bluetooth, which has been flawless, no problems, and it's been charged the whole time. Now, I haven't been using it with the RGB lights while it's been in Bluetooth battery mode because it just sucks the battery dead. But I've got like 2 weeks of battery out of it out of just one charge, so it's pretty good, I think. What else do we got? So let's flip this guy on. And just because you can't see anything with the lights on, let me do this. Alright, so let's turn on the backlight, which is, what is it, this one? Right, flip it on or off. Flipped it on. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so this button, this is the function key, by the way. I swapped it out, but function key bracket is going to be like bright as you can be. And there's one lighting mode. I think this key changes the colors of whichever lighting mode you're on, maybe. Let me see. Yeah, give or take, looks like. Very cool. Blue, purple. I actually do wish somehow that these LEDs were brighter, the RGBs, but like the caps don't have any shine through, and if you do have a shine through, they end up being very lackluster fonts and things like that. So, but anyway, let's keep looking. We got that. Let me get like a better color. Little laser beams. The Knight Rider effect. Cool. Christmas tree or something. Rain. Wavy things. Swipey lines. I don't know what that is, rain maybe. Ooh, that's cool. Good dig on that for like a vaporwave type of thing. Ooh, yeah, purple. Yeah, cool. So let's see what else. According to the manual, we have it'll pair with 4 Bluetooth devices. When you hold the FN key, the WASD keys turn into arrow keys. which is cool. And the bag comes with replacement arrow keys. However, the profile of these is different. So like you're supposed to replace the WASD keys, but these are different. These are like lower profile. So what? I don't know. Also, they give you the F5, F6, F7, F8 keys, and that's it. Why? I have no idea. Weird, but whatever. You've got some options. I kind of like this. I replaced the spacebar, enter, backspace, and the escape with some of the red keys, so that's really cool. Overall, I'm going to give this keyboard the highest recommendation and thumbs up, as far as the aesthetics go anyway. Let me just type on it for a second. I'm going to turn it off so I don't type garbage in my computer, but let's see. And then let's do it cherry browns. Gateron orange. So these have, they're definitely a bit smoother than the cherries. The tactile bump is, well, it's easier to feel, and it makes you not bottom these out as hard as the cherries. If you're a little bit of a light typist, these are going to hit you more in the sweet spot than the cherry browns. Overall, I choose the Gateron oranges over the cherry browns. I love these things. So my next board probably is going to be, I'd love to find a neon, an Akko neon and 108 key with the oranges. That's just like an instant buy for me. I tend not to use the smaller boards because I do a lot of coding and I need my extra keys, keypad, Kirscher keys, all that jazz. But as far as like a portable board, man, this thing is friggin' awesome. I absolutely adore it. And one of the highest quality like pre-built boards you could possibly get, I think. And also a good modding platform, honestly. They're not hot swap keys, but I think the amount of options you can get with this board in terms of the key types is really good. So yeah, man, let's give this a huge thumbs up and get yourself one of these, $100 on Amazon right now. Right on. Thanks a lot, folks.